everyone, welcome back to KnitcroAddict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a reverse single crochet. It's very easy stitch. It's just like single crochet but reverse. Alright, so for the normal single crochet we work from right to left, but reverse we work from left to right. Okay, don't worry, I will go slowly. This stitch is very pretty when you crochet around the basket edge or like a border. Alright, so you can use any yarn you like, any hook you like. Today I'm using Shipchi Stonewash XL and I use crochet hook size 4mm. And I also use scissors and yarn needle as well to weave in the end. Alright, let's get started. Okay, this is my last stitch, okay? So we're gonna crochet backward. I show you, don't worry. So first I gonna chain one first, and then I gonna insert my hook into the previous stitch here, the last stitch right here. Insert the hook there, and then grab a yarn, pull up a loop. I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook, and then repeat that into each stitch around. So next stitch here, I insert my hook into the next stitch, grab a yarn, pull up a loop. I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook, and repeat that. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. It's just like single crochet but in the backward. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few more times here. I insert the hook into the next stitch here, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook, like that. It's very easy and it looks very nice as well. I love it. Alright, you just keep repeating this around, and I will meet you guys back in when I'm at the end of the round here, just to show you what it's gonna look like. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm at the end here. Here's what it looks like. And then I just gonna cut the yarn and pull the yarn out and weave the end. Let me show you how to weave the end here, just in case. I bring my yarn needle there, and then I'm gonna insert my needle into the 2 loops here on the first stitch that I made right here, right there. Okay, and then bring it in, and then I'm gonna hide the tail inside. You can do whichever method you prefer. This is how I do it. And here's what it looks like at the end. And then I'm just gonna hide the tail. And that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.